What's up, family? It's your girl B, and I'm coming at you with this nail tutorial with this BT Art Box at-home press-on set. This is the gel. Is it called Gel X? Y'all, I don't be knowing. I don't know all the difference between all the gels, okay? But you stick this stuff on, and I promise you it's gonna stick for weeks and weeks. Like this set honestly could have lasted me like 3 to 4 weeks. I don't think I kept it on that long, but I am just super impressed with the quality. Like, we have come so far from the regular schmegular dugular press-ons, the ones with the glue. Yeah, here we go, right here. They give you the regular glue for um the toenail set. So you could get the set for your nails that come with the cat eye, what's it called? Cat eye? Cat eye chrome. And you can get the matching set for your toes. But this set I wanted to try because I don't know. I just wanted to try. It looks so beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny and sparkly and mesmerizing. Honestly, this camera didn't even do it justice, and I feel like it just looks so much better in person. So we already hooking it up, y'all. I put the base coat on for all my nails, let that set and dry. Now we're putting the glue. They say put a little bit of glue on the back of the nail, and then you have to make sure this mug is in the right place before you stick it up under that lamp, because the second it go up under that lamp, y'all, it's over with. Like, it's stuck up and it's stuck, okay? So just make sure your placement is right. Once you get it under there, it's gonna hold. I promise you. Like, look, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to test it because I wasn't sure, but I'm pushing on it, wiggling it a bit. That mug is on there, it's stuck, and it looks so beautiful. Now, my only critique on this set, because I did love the design, I wish it came in different shapes. Like, normally with the BT Art Box nail set, you can get different shapes. Like, I'll be rocking with coffin. I know some people like the stiletto nail tips. I just wish they had different lengths, like a little bit longer, and then I could get my coffin. But this set was just square, so we rocking out with the square. Obviously I have to put my little twist on it because I can't be walking around looking like the rest of you hoes, you know? So I made sure to go ahead and get me some gems, and some stickers. And I wanted to make this like under the sea type vibe, like little ocean mermaid vibes for the summertime. So I put my little stickers where I wanted them. I only was bedazzling the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger on this set. Normally I would just go ahead and bedazzle everything, y'all. But because I was in love with the way the pink like cat eye was looking, I left the other two fingers alone. So you could really just get lost in the sauce with that cat eye. It's just gorgeous. So I went ahead and put my little rhinestone glue. This is the McCart one. Somebody told me this was really, really good for gems, like long lasting. I had found another glue that was really good too, but I can't remember the name of it. So just give this one a try if you're looking for a good one. It did hold my gems. Like, I be washing dishes, I be doing laundry, I be doing a whole lot with my nails, right? I'm telling you, this set easily 3 to 4 weeks, y'all. 3 to 4 weeks, and you still could do whatever you need to do in a day. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I came up with my own little designs. I got compliments on these nails for days. Okay, days on days on days, from men, from women. Yeah, this set is it. Honestly, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try it out again. But this is how it came out, y'all. And this is how it came out. My cuticles wasn't about nothing, but don't. That's my business. Stay about my business, okay? So you do have to finish it out with the top coat. I made sure to do a top coat around my gems because I hate when it look like the gems don't have the same sheen like it had before. So I put my top coat around it, and I put me some cuticle oil, and this is how it came out. My little unicorn nail. He's so cute. Him so cute. And I did my toes. I did my toes with the mermaid theme too, y'all. I got my little seashells and whatnot, rocking out. You gotta have cute toes in the summertime. Usually white toes get chose, but I had to try this set out for real, for real. So Let me know what y'all think. And you didn't give it a try. BTR box for the win. Gel X kit for the win. You know, save you a few dollars, get your shine on at home. For real. All right, that's all I got. Okay, love you. Bye. See you next time.